Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to make amazing fried rice without needing day-old rice. Many recipes suggest using leftover rice, but sometimes you just crave fried rice right now. Don't worry, with a few easy steps, you can transform freshly cooked rice into a perfectly fluffy and flavorful dish. Let's dive into how to get those distinct, separated grains every single time. The first crucial step is preparing your rice correctly. Start by rinsing about 1 cup of jasmine rice several times until the water is completely clear. This removes excess starch. Then, cook your rice using a 1-to-1 water-to-rice ratio, which is slightly less water than usual. After cooking, let it steam covered for 10 minutes to finish perfectly. Now for the secret to preventing mushy fried rice: drying. Immediately spread your hot, cooked rice in a thin, even layer on a large baking sheet. This allows steam to escape quickly. For faster drying, place the uncovered tray in your refrigerator for about 30 minutes, or use a fan for 20 to 60 minutes. This helps the grains firm up beautifully. Finally, it's time to fry. For 3 cups of cooled rice, gently mix in 1 lightly beaten egg until all grains are coated. This prevents sticking. Heat your wok or large skillet over high heat with about 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil. Add your rice and stir-fry vigorously for approximately 5 minutes, constantly breaking up any clumps to achieve perfectly separated, delicious fried rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.